All right, we're doing it. The OnePlus 13 all-day real-life battery drain test. The time is now 7 a.m. We are fully charged at 100% battery life. Taking the device off the charger now.
Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. That is right. Today I'll be performing one of my all-day battery drain tests with the OnePlus 13. Now this has a massive 6,000 milliamp battery. It's running that Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Let me tell you right now that battery life has just been amazing here on the OnePlus 13. Now if you're new to the channel, basically the way this works is I'll be using the phone the way I normally do all throughout my day, and then every so many hours throughout my day, I'll be updating all of you, letting you know what my usage has been like at that time, what the battery percentage is at that time, and what screen on time is at that time as well. Now do keep in mind that screen on time is not everything. We also got to take into account when we're talking on the phone, when we're listening to music, or even watching videos, those speakers are being used as well, which is also consuming up some of that battery life. And I will try to keep this test as fair as possible, going in between a Wi-Fi connection and a mobile data connection all throughout my day, because not everybody can stay home all day long being connected to a Wi-Fi data connection, which does help save battery life compared to when you're using it on your mobile data connection. So I also just want to go ahead and mention that as well. So looks like I'm gonna start using my OnePlus 13 now, and I will see you all in a few hours.
Okay, so look at how beautiful this display looks. I still cannot get over how beautiful this display is. One of the best displays I've seen in a smartphone. I mean, look at the colors, look at the detail. It's an absolutely enjoyable experience to watch content on this display right here. But I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. Beautiful, beautiful. But I am here with our very first update. So the time is now 10:02 a.m. We are just a little over 3 hours later from when I took this device off the charger. We are down to 87% battery life there, as you can see. Let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here. Now, I was gone for a little bit this morning, so I was able to use this, outside of the home. And this is what our screen on time is right now. Screen on time since last charge, 1 hour and 33 minutes. And then it says use since last charge, which is basically the time that it has been off of the charger. So out of that, 1 hour and 33 minutes of screen on time. Not too bad. I haven't used the, phone crazy amount, but that's still pretty good. Now, when it comes to the graph down here, it's actually giving us, 24 hours back from this time right here. And I wish they would actually start the graph, from when we take the device off the charger and then start the graph there, because some of the usage down here, it's giving me from yesterday or, within this 24 hours, even before I charge the device. So some of this usage is from yesterday, but a lot of it is from this morning as well. But when it comes to the camera, that is from yesterday, but like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, photos, X, that's all from this morning. At least most of it is. Chrome browser, I did use that this morning. Gmail, I did use that this morning. Messages, Call of Duty was yesterday. I did use the maps this morning. Like I said, I was gone for a little bit earlier this morning. PayPal, I did use today. YouTube Studio, I used today. Clash of Clans was yesterday. SoFi, Flip, Snapchat, I used that today. Google, I used that today. Phone was yesterday. United Airlines was yesterday. And yeah, so this has pretty much been my usage so far this morning. Like I said, we're not doing too bad. 1 hour and 34 minutes of screen on time within our first 3 hours of usage. We still got 87% battery life going strong. This is definitely going to last us a very long time today, but I'm going to continue using this device. And yeah, I will see you all in another few hours. Ooh, got him. All right, so let me just say that gaming on this device right here is super smooth. Very smooth experience. I'm not that good. Got him. You can see my aim is not the best. Ooh, still getting them though. But yeah, the gaming experience on this phone right here, super smooth. And like I said earlier, this is running that Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and it's got this phone running like a beast. I haven't experienced any overheating issues or anything like that. And it just looks great on this display as well, but super smooth gameplay. But we are back with an update. So you can see the time is now 2:04 p.m. So just about 4 hours later from the last time I updated you guys, and we are down to 61% battery life left. So not doing too bad here, but let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here and let's see what we are looking at. Here we go. And I did figure something out. So if I click on this and highlight that part, it will show me my usage for today without showing me any of my past usage. So forgive me for earlier, I finally figured it out. But as you can see, we are at 3 hours and 45 minutes of screen on time since the last charge. It's been off the charger for 7 hours and 5 minutes. And this is what my usage has been like today. Let me highlight that again. And this is what my usage is looking like today so far. Got YouTube there as my most used app, of course, Instagram, TikTok, Chrome browser, used the camera for a little bit, got some Google Maps, used that some more. And I was gone for quite a bit today for these, past couple of hours. So a lot of this usage was done off of a Wi-Fi connection as well. A little bit of X, Call of Duty, Flip, which is just another social media platform where you can upload videos, Gmail, messages, photos, PayPal, SoFi, Snapchat, YouTube Studio, KineMaster. Did upload a little bit of 4K content here on this device, Clash of Clans, Google, Discord, My Frontier. And yeah, so this is what my usage has been like so far today. As you can see, I've been using the phone quite a bit, especially when it comes to these three big ones, or these four up here: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and the Chrome browser. But not doing too bad. Like I said, 3 hours and 46 minutes of screen on time. Still have 61% battery life left. We are going strong. Yeah, 2:06 p.m. So there we are. I will see you guys in another few hours with another update.
All right, so just to give you guys a quick idea of what nighttime video is like, I'm currently recording on the OnePlus 13 with the rear-facing cameras. And you'll notice that I do have a suitcase with me, got my backpack with me. I'm actually here at the airport, about to get on a flight in a little bit to head out to an event in San Francisco. If you know, you know. But what do y'all think? Just a quick little idea of what nighttime video is like, just in case you have not checked out my full 4K video test with this device right here. If you haven't, go check it out, because I do a full 4K video test. But I am back with an update. Let's go ahead and jump into the device and see what our battery percentage is, screen on time, and what some of my usage has been like since the last update. All right, so as you can see, the time is now 5:43 p.m. So a few hours later since the last update, we are down to 45% battery life on that 5G connection. Let's go ahead and go into my battery settings here, and let's check out the screen on time. So it looks like we are at 4 hours and 50 minutes of screen on time, almost 5 hours of screen on time, so not doing too bad. 10 hours and 43 minutes off of the charger. And this is what a lot of my usage has looked like today. YouTube, camera, I did use a lot more of that camera today. Actually, before I came to the airport, my daughter had a soccer game, and I used the camera to take a lot of photos and videos at her soccer game. So that's why my camera is now one of my most used apps there. Got Maps, Instagram, TikTok, X, Chrome browser, Call of Duty, System Launcher, messages, played a little bit of Asphalt 9 as well, as you can see there. Watch some Disney Plus, Gmail, PayPal, and yeah, you get the gist of it. This has been the rest of my usage here for the day. Of course, some of this is from yesterday. I can't do this with one hand and highlight the whole thing. I don't have the biggest hands to reach all the way across, but yeah, 4 hours and 51 minutes. Time is now 5:44 p.m. 45% battery life left. I don't know, we're doing pretty good here. Not too bad for the OnePlus 13. I'm telling you, battery life on this device is amazing. Not to mention the charging speeds that we get with this device as well. But that'll be on a whole nother video. So I guess I'll see you guys when I get to my hotel. I'll give you guys another update, because I'm sure this is going to last my entire flight, and and all the way to my hotel. So I'll see you guys then. All right, so I've made it to my hotel. As you can see here, it's actually a lot later than I had wanted it to be. But once I got here to the hotel, there was still stuff that I had to take care of before actually coming up to the room. And I still had to eat dinner. I was hungry. It's been a long day today. But real quick, take a look at my view here from my room. That is Union Square down there here in San Francisco. Beautiful view here I have from the room. But we are back with an update, but not the final update, because look, we still got 17% battery life left. The time is now 10:53 p.m. I am trying to kill this battery, but I just can't seem to do it. Let's go ahead and go into my battery settings. So going into the battery settings here, check this out. We are at 6 hours and 44 minutes of screen on time. And this is what my usage has been like today. Going back into my usage here, YouTube still my most used app. Like I said, I did take a flight earlier. It was a 2-hour flight, so I did get to watch a little bit of YouTube. Was on Instagram for a bit, TikTok, and this is Uber. I did use Uber for about maybe 30 minutes. I think it was like a 30-minute drive. I had Uber open the entire time. Still got the Chrome browser there, Call of Duty, X, Asphalt 9. Some of the same usage that you guys saw earlier, but just using the apps a little bit more. Did a little bit more video editing there. And yeah, so this has been my usage so far today, but I can't believe that it is 10:54, just about 11
p.m. and I took this phone off the charger at 7 a.m. this morning. So definitely an all-day device. Still got 17% battery life left. Let's see how far this takes me. I'm gonna try to heavily use this device because I gotta wake up early in the morning. I'm not trying to stay up all night, so I'll probably do a lot more gaming or do something. I'll at least try to get this down to like 5%, and then we'll do our final update and see what our screen on time is and all that good stuff. So I'll see you all in a little bit. All right, so we did it. The time is now 12:11 a.m. It is past midnight. We are down to 3% battery life. I think that is more than fair enough to finally call it a day, or call it a night, I should say. It is super late. I'm exhausted. I am ready for bed. Got to get up early, but let's go ahead, go into my battery settings here and see what our final screen on time. 8 hours and 3 minutes of screen on time, and still 3% battery life left, which can still get us, you know, a little bit of use, a little bit more usage out of this device. But this is my final usage for the day. As you can see, I did watch Netflix for a little bit to kind of get that battery down for 35 minutes. As you can see there, went ahead and watched a little bit of a movie, but this is my final usage for the day. Look at all this usage that has been done today here on the OnePlus 13. Again, 8 hours and 3 minutes of screen on time. So as you can see, the OnePlus 13 is definitely an all-day device. Took it off the charger at around 7 a.m. this morning. It is now past midnight. I didn't have to worry at all throughout my day about having to throw this on the charger. It lasted me all day long, and I heavily used this device right here. But heck, it can even be a day-and-a-half device to 2-day device, you know, depending on your usage, because not everybody's gonna use their phone as much as I did today, you know, every single day that goes by. So, you know, depending on your usage, this can last a whole lot longer than it did for me in this video. But this was just to give you an idea of how great battery life is here on the OnePlus 13. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about battery life here on the OnePlus 13? And if you have one for yourself, how's battery life treating you? Let me know down in the comments if you did like this video and find it helpful. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.